Welcome to the presentation of the Pastomaster XPL P range. Carpigiani pasteurizers designed to deliver professional performance, ease of use, and consistent quality in every laboratory. The available models with capacities of 60 and 120 liters meet the needs of laboratories with different production volumes. Pastomaster XPL P pasteurizers ensure precise and reliable heat treatment essential for food safety and the quality of your mixes. They offer several automatic programs based on the type of product designed to meet a wide range of production needs. High pasteurization at 85 degrees, intermediate pasteurization allowing you to choose any pasteurization temperature between 65 and 95 degrees, low pasteurization at 65 degrees, chocolate pasteurization at 90 degrees. For chocolate mixes, this cycle melts chocolate perfectly while bringing out its aroma. Sugar syrup, to produce the syrup used in water-based mixes, ideal for sorbet production. The XPL P range is equipped with an exchange pump composed of a tank with beater, conveyor, and spigot. This exclusive Carpigiani technology ensures high micronization of fat globules down to 2 to 5 microns for a creamier and more stable mix. Load flexibility, allowing you to work even with minimum batches starting from 1/4 of the maximum capacity. The dry Bain-Marie system prevents product buildup. It allows processing even with small loads, with no risk of burning the mix. Thanks to the absence of a beater in the tank, ingredients can be added in complete safety, even during processing. And by adjusting the flow speed of the mix, splashing is prevented when opening the lid. Safety is built into every detail. Above 50 degrees, opening the lid automatically stops the beater. The display alerts the operator to the presence of hot products. In case of blackout or water supply cutoff, the machine checks the time temperature parameters. If the mix is safe, the cycle resumes. Otherwise, it automatically starts a new full pasteurization cycle. The temperature-controlled spigot and fully removable components ensure maximum hygiene and easy cleaning. The XPL P range includes the following optional accessories: stainless steel bucket shelf, mix conveyor kit, Teorema, the remote control and diagnostics system. It allows you to monitor the machine via computer or mobile device. If needed, Carpigiani technicians are automatically alerted for faster, more efficient service. The QR code on the front panel gives you instant access to useful content, such as instruction manuals, cleaning videos, and ordinary maintenance plans. With XPL P pasteurizers, your laboratory can rely on dedicated programs for a wide range of recipes, precise control of the pasteurization processes, solutions designed for maximum hygiene and ease of use, different sizes to suit every production need. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you choose the machine that best suits your business needs. You can find their contact details and more information at carpigiani.com.